Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your first React program, right? So to create React program, we need to install some softwares in our laptop or in our PC. For that, let me go to our Google Chrome browser. First one is Node.js. Let me write Node.js download, hit enter. So we need to go this first link, that is nodejs.org, click on it. So I'm using Windows, so click on Windows installer. It will download your Windows installer for Node.js, and after downloading just install the Node.js file. So I'm just downloading it, but I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it. So that is first step. Second one is go to browser and write Visual Studio Code download. So that is our IDE where we will write our React.js code. So click on first link, that is code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. So again we have to click on Windows because I'm using Windows. So click on Windows installer. It will download your installer. After downloading it, click on it and it will install the Visual Studio Code on your laptop or PC. So again I have already installed that, so I'm not going to install it. So these two we need to require for React programming. Let me close the browser. Now select a location where you want to create your first application. For that, let me go to my D drive and create a new folder like React sample. Inside it, now select the path and after selecting just write cmd and hit enter. So it will open your command prompt window from this location, right? Now we have to write the React app creation, which is npx, that is the extension, that npx now create React app. Now we have to give our application name. Here I am giving like first app, hit enter. So you can see it is creating our first app. You can also see the folder has been created. So it will take some time to install because it will install all the files, required folders, as well as all the dependent DLLs and also other the dependent files which we will use to create our first React app, as well as it will also install the Node.js dependency files which will be used to execute our JavaScript files, the JS files. So it will take some time, I think 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let me go to this folder. So you can see there is a folder node modules. It is creating. So you can see there are a lot of folders created by the command prompt command. It is still creating all the files which we will use for our React programming. Now it is installing the template dependencies. You can see you can also see we have got another 2 folders and 3 files. Yes, the downloaded process has been stopped and we have created all the required files and folders through our create React app command. So now let me go to this folder. Let me click on node modules. So you can see there are a lot of files and folders. Let me go back. There is a public folder. All right. Go back. There is a source folder. This is src with source, and we have this all these files. So this is our basic React application which we have created at initial level. All right. Let me open this files in Visual Studio Code. So there is a shortcut. Let me show you. Click the complete path and just write cmd. Okay, and now just write code space dot, hit enter. So you will see that particular folder will be opened in Visual Studio Code. So it will show you the welcome page. Let me close it. Now let me go back to the folder. So we have node modules folder, this the folder, again public folder, here it is, source, here it is, and all these files, git ignore, package.json, package-lock, and readme. All right. So all the file and folders are in our Visual Studio Code right now. So just now let me run this as it is, whatever we have created through our command. Click on terminal, click on new terminal, right. Just write npm start. So it will start our development server. So it will also take some time. So wait for it. Now we have come to our browser. The default URL, here it is. So this is our default application which we created at our initial level. All right. And you can see the default URL of a React application is localhost :3000. We can change it, but that is the default URL. All right. So let me also tell you, see here you can see edit source/app.json save to reload. Okay, let me change it. Go to source app.js. So whatever you can see here, it is written in this app.js file. So let me change something. Learn React, or like edit code. Let me delete this one and write this is my first React app. Let me save it. Go to browser. You can see this is my first React app, and you can notice I didn't refresh it. The browser, it is auto refreshing the things. Let me again write, say it is so cool. Save. Let me navigate to browser and see. Without refreshing, it is auto refreshing the content. So this is our first file which we render to our browser. Let me also show you something. There is app.css. This is the CSS file where we write the styles. There is an index.js file. There is a logo which you can see over here. If you need to change it, just download or upload a logo image here and just change the, let me go to app.js and change the path from here, logo.svg and logo. So through this you can change your logo. So this is how you can create your first React app. So this is so simple. We just need to download Node.js and Visual Studio Code from browser, and after installing we just need to create a folder which we need to create our first application. Go to that particular folder, open command from the same folder and just write npx create -react -app and let me open again it. Let me go back. Your application name, hit enter. It will take some time and install and download all your required files and folders and dependencies into the same folder. After that, go to that folder, select the complete path and just write cmd, hit enter. It will again open the command prompt and then you just need to write code space dot, hit enter. So it will open your that particular folder into Visual Studio Code like this, and from here you can change your this paragraph tag logo, and it will auto reflect on this page, and the default URL of React is localhost:3000. So that is our first React app. This is cool, all right, and this is so easy to create it. So that is for the day. I hope you liked the video, and if you did so, just like, share and comment this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel, so that whenever I post this kind of videos which will be useful for you, so that you will get the notification at the earliest. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.